This thing on. Is this thing on? Okay, they are good. So it's been a while since my last stream, I think. I have talking bats now, which tell you what to do. This is not working yet. There's some random levels. Each level's in a text file. Well, they were, but they're referenced by name now with a level list. The special info.txt file, which lists the order of the levels, just so I don't need to rely on some order based on the file names. Oh, is this week? My internet has been terrible recently. When I'm on Discord, it just keeps dropping out. It is a disaster. Can't wait to move house so I can get fibre to the premise NBN. Whereas I think this area is on... It got downgraded from copper to HFC, which was a joke. I have wrapping now, so blocks can wrap past a level. Which I need to change the draw a bit so it draws half the chicken or half the item when they're half wrapped. But you can see there is now wrapping, which is cool. I don't know what kind of puzzles that will allow me to make, but we will see. Oh, I got lag. Most of the CPU you'll actually find is the VSync, or my version of VSync at least. It's the what do you call it when you wait using the system timer and then at the end you just kind of hammer the CPU until you reach 60 FPS. So my goal today is I want to make a new block type. Which I'll call the, I don't know what to call it, the mystery block, chain block. And what this block will do is it will be magically connected to another block, and they only one block can move when the other moves. You'll see what I mean. So, should I call it magic block? Link block? I'll just call it magic block. So magic block will be, let's empty the level a bit. Make it M. Let's do this. M for magic. And the cool thing about this is it will essentially just be a wall type. So we'll go magic. First things first, let's see if I have a sprite for it. Okay, so it's the pink one. All my sprites. We put it after the player block. And here we are loading the sprites via ranges. So we'll go magic, and I'm adding the range at position 48, 8 below the player. Just make sure I'm not using this anywhere else. Oh, here we go. So if the block type is magic, draw magic block sprite. And because I want the block to act just like a magic block, I mean a regular block, let's check if there's any special behavior I need. Nope. That might be all I need to do. Let's try it out. Oh man. I'll just add it to the level list too. So magic block. There we go. See what happens. Okay, here are the magic blocks. It worked. Let's just do that. So they are blocks which are linked. We'll see if that leads to good puzzles later. Hopefully it will. But I guess the idea will be... So, do that. B is they can be joined to other blocks. To make them magic as well. What else do I need to do with this? There'll be more with this later, when blocks can be destroyed. I need some function which splits off blocks from the magic blocks into two separate items. This is all considered one big item, which is why it was so quick to implement. And let's have a look. Could make the player part of the magic block. Oh, I just got a seg fault. I think I know why. Oh, that's an interesting bug too. Okay. Yeah, I'll fix it later. So that's the magic block. I also want a anti-gravity block. So let's build that. Anti-gravity block. Oh, I have whatever this is. Cloud block. There's meant to be another player. Could turn it into cloud block. Yeah. Magic player, cloud. I already have C for chicken. What letter can I make it? L for levitate. Let's get the sprites. Register the sprites. That's what I need to do. That is position 64, 72, 76. Cloud block. L. Now let's see if the sprite is working first. This building takes ages. Uh-oh, there's no block. No, okay. I think I got the coordinates wrong. So... I can just check with the thing here. Internet dropping out again. Great. Well, it's definitely there. What the hell? Cloud. Capital L. Oh, so I think I'm... Okay, I think I'm treating these as... grid... static grid blocks. Yeah, okay, so... It's not anti-gravity yet, obviously. But... we'll go... we will do that. So ball... has gravity. Which should always, pretty much always return true unless the item contains a cloud block. So, okay, says true if the item should be affected by gravity. Go return if any of our coordinates are if any of our coordinates are a cloud, and if not, Just build that and make sure. Yeah, this... stupid internet. There's gravity. Let's find the gravity function. Oh dear, this file is going to be not good. I need to clean this up later. Okay. Here we go. So block this will be quite good actually. To do gravity at the moment, we first check what items are blocked by the level, and then we work upwards. So we get all the blocked items here. And then we work our way up and check what blocks above the blocked items collide with. But if the item is got a cloud block, we can just say it's blocked all the time. The only problem is this might get weird if the player is ever attached to a levitating block, because then they probably shouldn't be able to jump. Or if they can, it will be really buggy and they might just stop in midair. Okay. Let's move it closer. I think it's working. Are there any edge cases? I don't know. Combine them, magic and levitating. Edge cases. I don't know. Let's attach one to a player anyway and see what happens. So I think it's gonna bug out. Yep, that's exactly what I thought would happen. Chicken can fly now. And gravity only recalculates when the player is Y-aligned with the grid. So you can see there hovering back down to the nearest Y-aligned block and then stopping. This could be good. So now we have magic block and cloud block. Now I don't know what kind of puzzles I can do with that, but hopefully can do something. Can do this. Hang on. Whoops. Can have the chicken push itself along. Maybe they come back. Or if it's like, maybe if it's in the air. The chicken can control something. Like a platform. And then that does something. I think the magic blocks are a bit cooler. I will figure out something. Let's have a waterfall. No. Yeah, I don't know. I mean, I haven't built switches in yet. If once I build in switches, which are you step on, I think, I don't know, and then you it opens and closes a door. Maybe that you can build a shape attached to a cloud block, and then a certain shape will allow you to kind of flick the switch on and off from a certain position or location, and then you can solve the puzzle by doing that, perhaps. But otherwise I'm not sure. Or if I add maybe I add ice blocks which slide. If I just keep adding random blocks of properties, maybe I'll come up with something. Anyway, that's probably it for this stream. Shall I re-add some of these old levels in? So, basic pushing, block tutorial, swap tutorial, so 03. That's not a bad level. Climbing up. We'll call it. '05 is a good level, actually. And '04. Let's do '05. So we go '05. We call maybe out of reach. Out of reach. Is climbing up. This is out of reach. So the solution to this is cool. There. So a lot of the puzzles will come from the way you can change the shape of your chicken from the flower, collecting the flowers. So I just need to work out what puzzles I can do with that. There needs to be more than just pushing blocks. And there needs to be things which can move more than just one block across the level as well. Can't just be pushing blocks the whole game. There needs to be more dynamic objects, I think, which does more exciting things. Anyway, we'll see.